Hi, I'm Dr. Bin Yo. I was invited here to train acupuncturist, graduate students, and physicians in year 2000. I actually went to medical school in 1988. When I was choosing medical school, I want to go to conventional medicine medical school in China because that makes a lot of sense to me. My dad says that, Hi Bing, no, you need to go to this medical school where you teach both Western and Eastern medicine. You'll become the best doctor in the world. Now I would like to tell my dad that thank you, Dad. That makes a huge difference. Because when you combine Western and Eastern medicine together, you get the best results. You treat the cause of the problems. So when I came here, I spent a lot of time studying, finished the board exam for Chinese medicine and acupuncture, and also I'm the only acupuncturist in Houston had the credential in Diplomate American Academy of Pain Management. I also received hospital privilege at the medical center. That means that I'm going to the ICU to treat patients too. That's amazing, absolutely. So the reason I established the center is because we want to put the Western and Eastern medicine together, get the best results. If you take a look. Now, former CEO at St. Luke's, he really appreciate what I'm doing because that can help so many patients, not just treating acute problems, also treating the chronic problems. And the former city attorney, Jonathan Day, he enjoyed our service, our treatment. He said, keep doing that, you'll make a huge difference for Houstonian. So, if you see here, we have great practitioner, Sarah, Stephanie, Dr. Ma, myself, plus Dr. Wen Song, Dr. Mosley. We work all together to get the best results for our patients. Now, you probably remember Dr. DeBakey. Dr. DeBakey is a good friend of mine. I was his doctor. I was taking care of him. He said that being you have the Western Eastern medicine training, you got to put them together and do the wellness for the public. Why? Because 45% of your first heart symptom is a fatal heart attack. That means even though we don't have symptoms, it doesn't mean we're healthy. Think about it takes so many years for diabetes, cancer to show up with symptoms. When we found it out, a lot of time it's too late. So, are you ready to change yourself totally? Let's talk about this. So, here will be the three topics we'll talk about. The American health crisis, stress and its effects on chronic health condition, understanding hormones, and then let's get it done. Find a solution.